welcome back to Stella and Alice
Happy Mind Lab.
Ale, tell them what happened today.
We celebrated my birthday.
How old are you?
10.
And you want to tell them what experiment we're doing? Or do you want me to tell them?
You.
So today we're going to do an experiment which contains vinegar, baking soda. You want to tell the ingredients?
2 bottles and 1 balloon and a big container.
And a transparent one so you can see what's going on. And today we're basically going to show you what happens when you don't meditate and be mindful with yourself when you have a big emotion. And let's go. So first we're going to show you on the first experiment with these things. So first, smell it?
I put it on my nose.
Did I though? So first we're going to pour the vinegar inside the plastic container. Ale, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Is this enough? Would you think this is enough, Ale? I think I'll go get some more. Pass. Okay. So, Ale, we want to get more vinegar, and now we're going to continue or just a bit more. More, Ale? Let's just use the entire container. Yeah, that's better. So, imagine the bottle is your mind, and the vinegar is just you being calm and just you being normal and calm, okay? And then imagine the baking soda is like something that happened today. Like maybe you're sad or angry and mad, and maybe you get really angry by something like a big thought or emotion happened, like sad, angry, and mad. Yeah. So when you add the things to the vinegar and you don't do any mindfulness to stop and hold back from exploding, from your mind exploding, it just explodes. So we're gonna put a bit of baking. Let's just move this to the middle. Ale, ready? Goggles on. This is what happens when you don't meditate. Your mind explodes and you go crazy. Look, your mind is exploding. Woo! Wow! Look what happens when your mind is
It's never ending.
It explodes everywhere. This is what happens when you don't meditate.
It's a man covered in a jacket of snow.
This is what happens when you don't meditate. Your mind becomes it becomes hyperactive, and it stops being calm and relaxed. When you're in this stage, it's like when you start kicking, punching and screaming. But what would happen if you regulated with mindfulness? Let's look at the next bottle to find out. So now we're going to do the experiment the experiment with the balloon and mindfulness. So, Ale, would you like to tell them what happens?
Ask someone to help you cut a bottle and use it as a funnel so this powder can fall into the balloon.
But first we have to put the vinegar inside the cup, right? So pour the vinegar inside the plastic bottle. Okay, make sure it doesn't fall. Okay, yes. Good job. Okay, now that we have the vinegar inside, we're gonna put the baking soda in here, in your funnel. Open it. Okay, so make sure to keep the balloon like this so it doesn't fall off. So Now we have this, and we have our balloon with our baking soda inside, right, Alec? Yeah, so now we're gonna share with you how you can meditate, like how you can like stop yourself from exploding. So, Alec, can you give me an example?
You could hug your mom.
Or you could squeeze your fists in, take out all the energy, and release.
Or you could squeeze a pillow.
Or you can squeeze a pillow. Let's do it all together. Fists. Ali, come on. Release. Now, let's go through our entire body. Okay. Hold in. Feel it going through your feet, through your legs, through your stomach, through your chest, and release. Now, let's do it one more time. Feel fists, Alan, and release. Doesn't that feel better? Now you feel all relaxed. So now we're gonna put this, the balloon inside with the baking soda, and see if it explodes or not with mindfulness. So imagine the balloon is mindfulness. So imagine the balloon is mindfulness, and if you meditate, it will not explode like our last balloon that exploded. Yeah?
Keep it. Keep it. You have to keep it like this.
Yeah. Okay, so Ale, now you can move the balloon up to the top and let the big. Oh my gosh! Oops, pick that up, Ale. Oh, maybe I should just hold this. Oh my god, it's gonna. See? This is what happens.
Hey, we have a free balloon maker. Thanks for inflating our balloon. We have a free balloon inflator.
So, see? So it's instead of going out, the meditation stops it from like exploding like the other one did. So if you meditate, you will not explode like the other one. Oh my gosh, it's getting bigger and heavier.
Imagine if it explodes. Yeah, it's probably gonna explode and then it's gonna go.
No, it's not added, because this is what happens when you meditate. If you meditate, you will not explode. Okay, so this happens when the balloon rises up or explodes. It happens because there is an acid, the vinegar, and a carbonate, the baking soda, and when mixed together, they create a reaction. The reaction creates a gas. The gas is carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide causes the balloon to like blow up, or the vinegar and the baking soda to explode. Okay, let's sing happy birthday now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Alessandro. Good. Done. And now, thanks for watching Stella and Alice.
Happy mics.
See you guys soon. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
Bye. See you next time. Happy birthday to you.